Hello, welcome to Master CFD Geometry Drawing and Mesh Generation training video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can draw a geometry and create a mesh for this project. Open the Ansys Workbench software, then double-click on the geometry under the Component Systems list, then double-click on the geometry in the block to open Space Claim software. Here at first, you must set the unit. From File, Space Claim Options, Units, choose Method. Okay, now click on Z-axis and in XY plane draw a circle with this V. Just type a value and then click on the enter on your keyboard or just click on the screen with your mouse. Another circle and the main circle. Specify diameter for this circle. Also this value. Okay, you can see these two circles. With a pull tool, pull outer circle in Z direction, then choose no merge option and then pull inner circle in Z direction with the same length. Okay, create a plane and then move this plane using move tool in Y direction with this value. And then select this body, create a circle on this, with this diameter, set diameter for this circle using dimension tool. Click on the end of sketch editing, using pull the circle and create a cylinder in Y direction. For next step, zoom in a little and select this surface, choose move, but this option, move to this plane. Now you can see this complete geometry. Now you must create name for all boundaries. Select each boundary, for example this surface, and click on the create NS or name selection. Enter the name. This is the outlet boundary. All these surfaces are outer walls. And these surfaces must be named as inner walls, click on the shade to prepare this geometry for next step, mesh generation step. Also, you can save this geometry in format you want. For example, IGS, STP, or other. And then click on the save to export the geometry. Under the component systems, double click on the mesh to create the mesh block. Then drag the geometry and drop in a mesh block. Double click on the mesh to open Ansys meshing software. Here, set the physics preference, the CFD, and quality to high, and click on the generate. I want the size of the elements to be smaller. Also, I want to change the mesh type to unstructured mesh using method tool. Here, choose tetrahedrons mesh, and then click on the generate. I make the size of the elements a little smaller. And for the last step, you must export the mesh. For the Fluent software, specify the name and path to save. To benefit from Master CFD services, including simulation, consultation, and training, visit our website www.master-cfd.com and contact us via info@master-cfd.com.